Running your own business can be incredibly rewarding as it can help you generate higher profits than working regular jobs. You can also take on as much work as you like, so that you can control your level of income. From managing employee wages to paying bills, having a good grip on your financials is key to keeping your business sustainable. It's important to be cautious with your spending, but also be generous when necessary.
Investing in the stock market or other venture capital investments can be a great way to generate income. By diversifying your investments, you reduce the risk of monetary losses and increase your success rate.
It's essential to properly research the market before making decisions on investments or changes in your business. By understanding the current trends, you can remain competitive and benefit from forward thinking. Analyzing your company's performance is key to remaining profitable. Keeping track of your wins and losses can help you modify your strategies for a more successful future.
No matter how experienced you are with managing finances, it's important to seek professional advice from industry experts. They can provide valuable insights on how to grow your business.